Hey everyone, in this video we will compare MetaTrader versus MT5. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. When comparing MetaTrader and MT5, it is important to look at their features, usability and target users. MetaTrader is a powerful platform mainly designed for brokerage firms and institutional traders. It offers advanced charting, trading signals and various order types, known for its ideal for traders who prioritize efficiency and flexibility. MT5 or MetaTrader 5 is one of the most popular platforms globally, especially among retail traders. It supports a wide range of assets including Forex, stocks, and commodities. MT5 offers advanced charting, automated trading with expert advisors, and a built-in economic calendar. It also includes more timeframes and order types compared to its predecessor MT4 and features a more sophisticated interface that some traders prefer. In my opinion, if you are an institutional leader or brokerage firm looking for a fast and customizable platform, MetaTrader may be a better choice. However, if you are a retail trader seeking a versatile platform with strong community support and a wide variety of assets, MT5 is likely a better fit. Thanks for watching.